You have to jump.
Bro, it's fucking raining, nigga.
Then jump.
You stupid bitch, it's raining.
Why won't you jump?
Motherfucker.
Jump into the pool.
Yeah, she bitch.
You're
Okay.
already wet. There's no point in not doing it.
Hurry up, it's raining. I'ma slip and die, nigga.
Are you
How do
gonna
you swim in a
jump?
pool?
I'ma fucking die. Ethan, we best friends. I buy you food every time, nigga. I buy you food, nigga. Nigga.
I'm gonna have to.
I want it to catch fire.
Your hair refuses to catch fire.
Good job, Jesse. It's the nigger Hulk. Oh shit!
Sorry. My bad.
No.
Open this door.
I know. I won't.
Marco, we have a
A
sword.
nickel.
Yeah, Marco, we have
Wait,
a
did you
sword.
get that from my room?
No, Cody brought it in.
I'm alive.
Wait, can I come in?
I mean, he's right by the door.
Marco, can I?
He's dancing.
Yeah, come on.
I think he's turned into someone from Death Groups.
Take this. Cameron,
Don't let him out! The nigger's loose! No! Fuck. Go!
Don't let your dreams be dreams! Just do it!
Jaden the meme lord!
You got balls.
you're a god, man.
Jaden, get in the house! You're gonna kill yourself!
No, I'm not. It's the government that killed me.
Sasha appeared! Who's that? Dallas!